What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your favorite spot for tech that actually works in real life, not just in flashy ads. Today, we're checking out something that might just replace that clunky wall charger, tangled cable, and battery anxiety all in one go. Say hello to the Anker MagGo Power Bank, a sleek 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe compatible beast that's Qi 2 certified for 15-watt wireless fast charging, rocks a built-in smart display, and folds into a kickstand so your iPhone stays charged and upright. Whether you're a road warrior, content creator, or someone whose phone dies before dinner, this is the power bank that's going to finally keep up with your lifestyle. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, if you've ever had your phone die at 3% while trying to order food, hit that like button and let's break this thing down. Let's go. Alright, first up, let's talk design, because this ain't your average plastic brick. The Anker MagGo Power Bank is giving premium vibes right out of the box. It's compact, palm size, and has this matte black finish that feels smooth but grippy. Not slippery, not bulky, just clean and portable. And then there's the folding stand built right into the back. Total game changer. You just flip it out, snap on your phone with MagSafe, and boom, your iPhone is standing tall while charging. Perfect for FaceTime calls, watching reels, scrolling TikTok, or just having your phone in view on your desk. No cables, no mess, no laying flat on the table like a sad pancake. Now, let's talk power, because this little guy's got juice. You're looking at a 10,000 milliamp hour battery under the hood. That's enough to charge your iPhone 15 Pro about 1.8 times, and not just slowly trickle it up either. It's Qi 2 certified and delivers 15 watts wireless fast charging, which is a big upgrade from those 5 watts budget pads, or 7.5 watts MagSafe lookalikes. Translation? This thing gets your battery back up fast, even wirelessly. So whether you're heading into a meeting, getting ready to travel, or mid-streaming your favorite show, it's got your back without anchoring you to a wall. And yes, it supports USB-C wired charging too. So if you're in a rush and need that extra speed, just plug in and go wired with up to 20-watt output. Fast, flexible, future-proof. Now, let's talk smart, because this is where the MagGo stands out from the crowd. It's got a built-in smart display on the side that shows you the exact battery percentage left, your charging status, and current output, so you're never guessing how much juice you've got left. No more blinking dots, no more is it charging or not confusion. It tells you exactly what's going on in real time. It's the little touch that makes a huge difference, especially if you rely on your devices all day and need to know when it's time to top up. And because it's MagSafe compatible, you get that secure magnetic snap every single time. No fiddling, no repositioning. Just click, stick, and charge. It holds your iPhone in place vertically or horizontally, so you can scroll, stream, or shoot video hands-free while you power up. And yes, it works with the iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15 series, including the Pro and Plus models. Basically, if it's MagSafe ready, it's MagGo ready. Let's talk portability, because the best tech is the stuff you'll actually carry with you. At just a little over half an inch thick, this thing slides into your pocket or bag without adding bulk. The foldable stand lies flush, and the matte finish resists fingerprints and scuffs, so it keeps looking sharp even when it's bouncing around in your EDC kit. Perfect for students, travelers, remote workers, or just people who live life on the go. And yes, it comes with a USB-C cable in the box. Anker knows what's up. No need to buy extra accessories just to get started. Now let's get into a quick rundown of why this thing slaps in real-world use. You're getting 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, which is plenty for multiple charges, 15 watts Qi 2 certified wireless fast charging, real speed, no gimmicks, USB-C wired output, up to 20 watts for even faster top-ups, built-in kickstand, doubles as a phone holder for hands-free use, smart LED display, real-time battery info and charging status, MagSafe compatible design for snap-on ease with no cable, compact, travel-ready build, perfect size for pockets or carry-ons, includes USB-C cable, no hidden upsells or extras needed. Oh, and a quick shout-out to Anker's reputation here. This isn't some no-name charger you found in a gas station. Anker's been killing it in the portable power game for years, and the MagGo Power Bank continues that legacy with something smart, solid, and super useful. So who's this really for? If you're a student who lives between classes and cafes, a traveler who hates hunting for outlets at the airport, or just someone whose iPhone always seems to die at the worst possible moment, this is your backup plan. If you've tried other power banks and got sick of slow wireless speeds, awkward designs, or needing an entire cord spaghetti to go with it, this is the one to beat. And if you want something that not only works fast, but looks good doing it, yeah, you're in the right place. Price-wise, you're looking at around $89, depending on the color and bundle, which, let's be honest, is a great deal for this kind of speed, features, and finish. You're getting MagSafe compatibility, fast wireless charging, a smart display, and a built-in stand, all wrapped up in Anker's trusted quality. So let's hit that recap real quick. With the Anker MagGo Power Bank, you're getting a slick, compact, MagSafe design 10,000 milliamp hour battery, enough for 1.8 full iPhone charges, Qi 2 certified 15-watt wireless fast charging, USB-C wired option for even faster charging smart display display for real-time battery, and power info built-in stand for easy viewing and video calls, MagSafe Snap for secure phone mounting, travel-friendly, durable, and ready to go. And yep, it works perfectly with iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15. This isn't just a power bank, it's a wireless charging hub, a phone stand, and a must-have sidekick all in one sleek package. So if your phone's always clinging to life at 2% or your desk setup needs a minimalist upgrade, the Anker MagGo might just be your new everyday essential. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with your current go-to charger setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns that actually make sense. Until next time, stay charged, stay chill. Peace out.